train. True love never ends. Love survives the feed, stronger than the word of speed. Through this growth and the fleeting trend, true love never